Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are well. As you know, there are 17 nutrients which are very important for the plant growth, and some are required in huge quantity like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Potassium is associated with the movement of water, nutrients and carbohydrates from roots to the other parts of the plant. Potassium also helps in opening and closing of the stomata, which regulate the exchange of water vapor, oxygen and carbon dioxide. If potassium is not supplied in adequate amount, then it puts the bad effect on the plant growth and it reduces the flower yield. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make a potassium-rich fertilizer from the banana peel. Now collect some banana peels and cut the banana peels into small pieces like this. I am cutting the banana peels into a clean bowl with the scissor. You can cut the banana peels in small cubes into small pieces. Cut all the peels into this bowl. Now all the peels are cut down. Then after cutting the banana peels, you will fill this bowl with the water. I have added approximately 2 liters of the water in this bowl. Now rub the banana peels with your hands to extract all the nutrients from the banana peels. And now you can see the color is changing. You can see the water color, it's changing. You can see the color of the water. Now you will cover this bowl and keep this bowl for 8 to 10 hours. I'm adding more water. I already told you this is approximately 2 liters of the water. So put it down in the shady area, and after 8 to 10 hours you can see the color. Now this is the fertilizer, this is prepared. After 10 hours this is the color, and it is looking like this light brown color. Now I am filtering this banana peel fertilizer. Now it is filtered solution. Here actually we are dissolving the banana pulp in the water that remains in the banana peel. We are not decomposing the banana peels actually. Here you can see this is the banana pulp that we are actually taking out from the banana peel. Keep one thing in your mind, this is the banana when pulp. To give this fertilizer to the plant, because it matters a lot. If the plant is very small and in its growing stage, then don't give this fertilizer to that plant, because in this growing stage that plant needs all the nutrients in equal amount like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Yes, this fertilizer is very good for those plants which are in their fruiting and flowering stage. I am putting this solution into a big jug. You can see its color, darkish brown color. You can see the color. Now I will dissolve the water in the banana peel fertilizer. You can see I am adding the water. You will add the water after filtering the solution. If you give this solution without dissolving in the water, then the concentration of the potassium will be high, and due to the high potassium concentration and excess of the potassium, plants will not absorb the other nutrients. So dissolve it with the water. If you are taking one part of the solution, banana peel fertilizer solution, then take 7 to 8 parts of the water. Then go to your garden and give it to your plants. And again I am telling you, keep one thing in your mind, don't give it to the plants that are unmatured, that are very small. give it to those plants which are matured and at their flowering and fruiting stage. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Okay, take good care of you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.